Good morning, students. Welcome to class 11 biology class. In previous periods, we have read about nucleus and nucleolus. This is unit 3rd, chapter 8 in some books. In some books, it is given in chapter 14. Now the chromosomes. Term chromosome is formed from two Greek words. Chroma means colored and soma means body. In 1875, Strasburger, when working on cell division, observed some thread-like structure inside the nucleus. W. Belder, 1888, has called these thread-like structures as chromosomes, as they could be stained with the help of stain like acetocarmine, acetylene, etc. These chromosomes play a vital role in heredity, hence they are called as the carrier of hereditary or genes. In 1902, Soudan has studied the functional significance of chromosome and proposed the theory of chromosomal basis of heredity, which we have read in the chapter of law of inheritance. Number of chromosomes. The number of chromosomes in somatic cells of higher plants and animals is called diploid or somatic numbers or 2n numbers. While in gamete it is haploid or gametic or n. Number of chromosomes is always constant in all the somatic cells of all the individuals of a species. The haploid set of chromosomes of a species is called genome. Thus, a diploid cell contains two genomes, 2n is equal to 4. Minimum number of chromosomes is found in Mucor Hemilis, 2 chromosomes only, whereas maximum number of chromosomes are found in pteridophytic plants, Ophioglossum reticulatum, 2n is equal to 1262. In human beings, number of chromosomes are 46 or 23 pairs. Size and shape. Size of chromosome is fixed for each species. Size of chromosome should be measured at metaphase stage, because in interphase stage it remains in the form of chromatin networks. In metaphase substage it gets condensed, therefore is clearly visible. When chromosomes become clear and well organized, the chromosomes are generally 0.2 to 50 millimicron. In length and 0.2 to 30 millimicron in diameter or width. Length of chromosome of fungi and bird is 0.25 millimicron, smallest, and largest chromosome is found in a plant, Trillium, which is 30 millimicron. Shape of chromosome is changed in each stage of cell division. An interphase chromosome appear in the form of chromatin thread. During prophase, they become short and thick, and centromere also become clear. Metaphase chromosome is composed of two chromatids which are held together by centromere. Centromere is a constricted region and is known as primary constriction or kinetochore. Types of chromosome. Depending upon the number of kinetochores, chromosomes are number of kinetochores or number of centromere. There is many type of chromosomes, like the monocentric, only one centromere, dicentric with 2 centromere, polycentric with more than 2 centromeres, acentric without centromere. So such chromosomes show freshly broken segment of chromosomes. These do not survive for long time. Diffused or non-beaded, non-located or holocentric with a large number of centromere scattered throughout the length of chromosome. Type of chromosomes on the basis of shape, location and primary constriction of centromeres means the position of centromeres, like the telocentric centromeres at the top of the or apex of the chromosomes. Here the chromosomes is rod shaped and centromere at the top forming only one arm, telocentric. Acrocentrics, these are also rod shaped chromosome but with subterminal centromeres. One arm is very little and other is very long. Submetacentrics, little away from centers, forming two different arms. One is longer and other is shorter. Sometimes they may be L letter shaped or L shaped. Metacentrics, here centromere is situated at the middle and chromosome appears like V letter shaped structures forming two equal arms. Now the structure of chromosome. Structure of chromosomes. Detailed morphological structure of eukaryotic chromosome is best studied during cell division, especially during metaphase and anaphase. Chromosome at metaphase and anaphase stage are composed of following parts. First of all, pellicle, which is outermost covering of chromosomes. This is a thin membrane-like structures. Matrix, the inner content inside the pellicles, or inner content inside the pellicles is called matrix. It is jelly-like homogeneous ground substance which is enclosed by pellicles. Presence of matrix is controversial, but in Legula compressis Bodras, a plant belonging to family Zuccaceae, existence of matrix is indicated. Main component of chromosomes are chromatids or chromonema or chromonimata. At metaphase, a typical eukaryotic chromosome consists of two chromatids held together at centromeres. Two chromatids which are held together at centromere are primary constrictions. A chromatid is a half chromosome during prophase and sometime during interphase. Chromosomal materials become visible as very thin filaments which are called chromonimata, and these represent chromatids in early stage of condensations. Chromatids and chromonema singular. Therefore, are two names for same structures. That is a single linear DNA which is associated with its associated proteins. The proteins are histone proteins. It was first observed by Brandlini in 1880 in pollen mother cell of Tradescentia and was called chromonema by Berezovsky in 1912. Chromomeres bead-like structures in the chromatin fibers. During prophase stage of cell division, chromonemata possesses numerous bead-like structures called chromomeres, and the region in between and are designated as interchromomeres. These chromomeres are considered to carry genes. These are situated in these bead-like structures in the chromosome. Telomeres, round-shaped tip of chromosomes are called telomeres, or sealed tip of the chromosomes is telomeres. It provides stability to the chromosome and protects their individuality because the telomere end do not form any permanent association with the other part of homologous or non-homologous chromosomes, whereas broken end may join but cannot join due to presence of telomeres. Centromere are primary constriction. It is also known to be as kinetochore. According to Schrader, centromere is the condensed and modified part of chromosome where chromosome threads are connected together. Position of chromosome is fixed for every type of chromosome. It determines the shape of chromosomes. Like earlier you have read telocentric, metacentric, submetacentric, acentric. Number of centromeres. Chromosome normally contain 2 centromeres, but sometimes there may only 1 centromere or even more than 2 centromeres on a single chromosome. Main function of centromeres is to provide attachment to microtubules of chromosomal spindle fibers and help in the movement of chromosome during cell division. Centromere also serve as a nuclear centers or nucleolar center for the polymerization of tubulin, the protein which form microtubule of spindle fiber during prometaphase and metaphase. Secondary constriction. It is another constant morphological feature of some chromosome which help in their identification. It is distinct from the primary constriction by the absence of marked angular deviation of chromosomal segments during anaphase movements. Here is a marked angular deviation in primary, but in secondary it is not present. In some chromosomes, secondary constriction is intimately associated with the nucleolus, so it is also known as nucleolar organizer region. It contains gene for coding 80S and 20S ribosomal RNA. Location of secondary constriction is marked by a light stained constricted area and is constant for a given chromosome. In men, nucleolar organizers are located in the secondary constriction of chromosome 13, 14, 15, 21 and 22. Satellite, terminal portion of chromosome beyond secondary constriction is known as satellite. It is attached with the main body of chromosome by a delicate chromatin filament. Satellite may look like a round or elongated knob. Chromosome with satellite is called set chromosome. Out of 46 chromosomes of men, 5 chromosomes, first, 10, 13, 16 and Y chromosome contain satellite. Ultrastructures of chromosome in the under electron microscope or ultrastructure of chromosomes are defined by folded fiber model and nucleosome models. According to folded fiber model given by Dupra and Rees, each eukaryotic chromosome is composed of a single greatly elongated and highly folded fiber of DNA. This is folded from here, surrounded by protein covering. DNA is the largest chromosome of Drosophila, is estimated to be about 40 centimeter long with a molecular weight nearly 80 into 10 to power 9. Total length of all DNA present in single mammalian cell has been found to be about 2 meter, containing 5.5 into 10 to power 9 base pairs. According to Dupra, chromatin fiber of somatic cells are about 200 angstrom in diameter. These are formed of DNA and basic protein histone. Each DNA molecule is a spirally coiled double helical structure of 2 strands. Histone molecules are regularly arranged in the D groove of DNA helix. Positive charge of the histones form electrostatic association with negatively charged phosphate group of DNA and provide stability and flexibility to DNA. It has been estimated that 20 angstrom DNA fibrils on combination with histone form a 100 angstrom thick fiber double helix of DNA. Together with the association of histone, protein is supercoiled and it is folded by folded fiber model is like this. Here base adenine to thymine, then sugar and phosphate, cytosine with triple bond, guanine, this type of base pairing, and proteins, histone proteins are found in their groups to provide stability. Nucleosome model, electron microscopic studies, Woodcock and autodigation of nuclei has shown that nucleoprotein fiber of chromatin consists of a string of ellipsoidal weight-like repeating units called nucleosomes. Nucleosomes are about 10 nanometer in diameter, consist of a core particle of a specific aggregate of histone enclosed with DNA. According to these models, proteins are fiber structures and proteins are found at the bunches of the grapes, giving a appearance of nucleosomes to the chromosomes. Roger Kornberg has proposed a model of the nucleosome on the basis of endonuclease activity of the enzyme which break phosphodiester bonds found between sugar and phosphate groups. On autodigation of the purified chromatin fragments containing 200 base pairs have been obtained. A nucleosome consists of 146 base pair of DNA bound around a core octamer of histones. These are two molecules of histone, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. Nucleosome are one kind of in all eukaryotes. Core particle is a flattened ellipsoidal disc capable of separating into two halves and appear roughly cylindrical with a diameter of 11 nanometer and a height of 6 nanometer. DNA is wrapped twists around the core particles. The DNA between the nucleosome is called spacer or linker DNA. It is associated with another histone called H1. This histone stabilizes two complete turn of DNA superhelix around the cylindrical corner or cylindrical axis. Is the main axis. The function of chromosomes. Chromosomes are the carrier of genes or DNA. Chromosomes are responsible for the transmission of parental character to their offsprings. Change in the number of chromosomes result in the development of new characteristics, variation or mutation. The heterochromatin part of chromosome take part in the formation of nucleolus. They are responsible for formation of new species and varieties. Some chromosomes called sex chromosome determine the sex of an individual. Now this chapter gone over. New chapter from next period.